May nagsabi sa akin nito noon, hindi ka makakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Gayon din ang iyong mga kapatid. Dahil hindi kayo kayang tustusan ng inyong mga magulang. At totoo naman, dahil una, produkto kami ng broken family. Pangalawa, our parents were not capable of providing us. But at that time, deep inside my heart, if our parents cannot provide for us, there is a faithful God who will provide for us. Kung hindi kami kayang papag-aralin, may Diyos na magpapaaral sa amin. At He did not fail us. He fulfilled His promise. He did not leave us nor forsake us. He didn't abandon us. Hindi naging madali. Hindi kami naging scholar ng bayan pero naging scholar kami ng Diyos. He provided us. He guided us. At hindi kami nagkamali sa Diyos na sinandigan namin. Sa awa at pagmamahal niya, kaming tatlong magkakapatid, graduate ng college. It's all by the grace of God.